Alright, what's up guys? It's Evan from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a wall flip without being scared. Alright, so the first thing is find a good place to do it. We recently got this nice fake grass, so right here you want to find a wall with grass next to it. That would be ideal since grass is soft. And so what you're going to do, basically, you should have it a backflip like on the tramp or out of a round off or something like that. At least know how to do a backflip before you attempt to do a wall backflip. Alright, so how you do it is you don't need to go super far back, just this is good. You don't have to run up, just take a nice little walk, and then whatever, you have to figure out what foot is your dominant foot to go off of. For me, it's my right. I feel like most people would be the right, but figure out which leg you feel comfortable going off of. So either left or right. And then what you're gonna do is you wanna put your foot on the wall, have your arms back here, and you're gonna wanna push up and out. You don't wanna go too far out where you pushes you back and you get no height, and you don't wanna go too far up where your foot slides. See? As you can see, my foot slides if I try to go too much up, and then it'll push me back if I try to. You gotta find that right balance of going up and also at an angle, kind of out. Okay? So yeah, start 10 feet back. Here, arms back, foot about here. You don't want it too high or too low. Right here is fine. Swing your arms up, and as you're swinging your arms, you're pushing off your leg, and then you're gonna rotate into your back foot. So here, up, push. You're gonna push off your leg, bring your knees into your chest. You can tuck or don't tuck or do whatever you want. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's here, boom, swing up, do a backflip, grab your shins, or grab under, or don't tuck at all. You can do whatever you want. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll show you that. I'll do one more here. Alright, so yeah, if you don't have a good wall to do it, I would recommend going to a gym and putting up a mat and trying to do it off of there onto another mat, just to be safe. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to do a wall flip without being scared. Thanks for watching.